Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to use the Whisper API to convert our audio sample to a written text. Let's go! So today we're going to connect to the openai API again, but then to use the Whisper functionality of openai. As you have seen in the second tutorial, we've created a connection with the openai API. I put a link in the description and in the screen on top of your right here to check out how to make an API key on the openai.com website. There I explained also the purpose of the .env file. To speed things up, I will create a new .env file in this tutorial so you can check this one out. First, we're gonna set the variable name to openai API key. Next, between the quotes, we will put our API key. Then I've created a whisper connector.py file. Here we're gonna set up the script to make the connection to Whisper. Let's go. First I'm gonna import OS, and then from .env I'm gonna import the load.env function. This will handle the environment variables for us. Of course we're gonna import the openai package as well. Then I'm gonna load the .env file. This will insert all the environment variables I have declared in the .env file. Then from the openai package I use the function API key and I post there my variable openai API key. Then I've created a class. I call this the note taker because it's gonna take notes for us from our sample file. In the init, I declared audio file, so when I create an object using the note taker class, I can insert my audio file. Then our self audio file is open audio file, of course, and we use RB because this stands for read binary. That's typically used for loading audio files. Then I've created another function called write speech. I use the self variables as well. And as a result, I want to have a string using the openai package audio object and the transcribe function. In the transcribe function, I write down that I want to use whisper-1, and of course, I post my audio file. Then, as a return, I want to return the result, so that's the string Whisper has made from our audio sample. Let's see this in action. As you've seen in tutorial 3, link is up there, we've created a voice recorder. This function will run in this tutorial as well, so we use the voice recorder and then we're gonna create a text from this sample. So, as a text writer, I'm using the class note taker and I put in my output.wave file. This is an old one I've created, but when we run the script, this one will be overwritten to serve as a new output.wave file. Now I have to store the text in a variable. So let's go. Text is textwriter.writeSpeech. And now I'm gonna print out the text. Easy as that. Let's run it. This is a test to check if it's working. And there you have it. Here's the response. This is a test to check if it's working. And it works. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you the next time. Then we're gonna combine the voice recorder, the Whisper API and the openai API to use our speech as an input for our virtual assistant. See you then. Bye bye.